order to get to this shaman, the path was once again going to be treacherous. We had to walk for 15 miles and climb an even steeper trail for several hundred feet. There at the top of the highest cliff is where I could find the village shaman. What's worse, since the trail moved outside the cover of the trees and into the simmering sun, Rose told us that the only way we'd ever survive the trek was by traveling in the cool of the night. Now, I'll be honest with you. Walking through the African bush in the pitch black, surrounded by lions, panthers, hyenas, and dozens of species of poisonous snakes and spiders scared the heck out of me. After all, I already had one run-in with death. I sure as heck didn't want another. But I was driven to keep going. I knew that this recipe would change the lives of thousands. It would bring hope to so many people that were lost, confused, and desperately seeking a way out of a lifestyle that was not only unhealthy,